The drastic advances in digital and communication technologies have acted as the pillars of our modern society. Alongside with the internet, mass media and social media outlets have facilitated the processes of globalization, removing any previously perceived geographical barriers. Yet, the very same mechanisms have also been recognized by terrorist organizations and exploited in the pursuit of their objectives. In India, Pakistan-based terror groups have been continuously using social media for recruitment and radicalization. Recently, India's Counter-Strategy Task Force NIA filed a charge sheet against 3 operatives of the Lashkar-e-Taiba in the online recruitment module case. Our report. The National Investigation Agency recently filed the first supplementary charge sheet against 3 Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives, including a missing Pakistani woman, in an online recruitment case registered last year in West Bengal. The charge sheet was filed in the NIA Special Court in Kolkata against Tania Parveen Sayyed M. Idris and a missing accused Aisha. The case was initially registered on March 18 last year at the Baduria police station in Bengal's North 24 Parganas district following the arrest of Parveen, a member of the proscribed Pakistan-based terrorist organization. Parveen was a college student and was radicalized and recruited in cyberspace by Pakistan-based cadres of LET. She was co-admin of various social media groups espousing secessionist ideas on Kashmir with accused Aisha, a Pakistan-based cadre of LET's women's wing. Parveen and other accused were brainwashing impressionable youth and propagating the ideology of LET, thus conspiring to wage war against the state.
One should note that terrorist organizations, like other organizations across the world, always use every means possible for exploiting the space for their own ends. In the case of terrorist organizations, cyberspace was a medium which they have been very active for the past decade or so. And today, with the social media and other media coming on board, this medium has been completely exploited by them for their own nefarious ends.
The Pakistan-backed terror groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba, through its political arm Jamaat-ud-Dawa, and more precisely, its cyber unit called JUD Cyber Team, are using social media channels to attract young men. According to intelligence reports, fake videos of alleged atrocities committed by security forces and building a false narrative are now often used by the ISI handlers from Pakistan to whip up emotions among the young recruits. In January 2021, 2 terrorists arrested in Kashmir were provided training online using various links available on public platforms like YouTube and were receiving orders as well as religious teachings from Pakistan-based handler Burhan Hamza. Earlier, 22-year-old Amir Siraj, a final year graduation student from Khwaja Gilgad in Sopore, was also recruited online by Jaish-e-Mohammed. He was later gunned down during an encounter between terrorists and security forces.
Youths can be very easily influenced by new ideas and new ideologies. They do not have the experience and the exposure of what these actual impact of the new ideas and ideologies can be in the real world. Thus, terrorist groups and other extremist organizations try to influence the youth and wean them away from the mainstream path towards their cause. Also, the youth can be very useful as the soldiers of a terrorist organization.
From the expansion of extremist groups and their worldwide recruitment policies, it has become evident that the threat of terrorism is not restricted to its region of origin anymore. The mass use of internet and social media has obscured the borders of extremism and has imposed an undeniable menace to global peace. Terrorist organizations are now invading the cyberspace and turning it into a battleground. They no longer rely on military force such as weapons, armors, and bombs only. Instead, they have become more and more savvy, and their strategies and tactics have gained technological orientation. Hence, when terrorist groups do innovate with fundraising and recruitment, efforts to counter the financing of terrorism must also change with the times.